The Teagasc National Dairy Conference takes place this year on Wednesday the 29th of November in the Lyrath Hotel in Kilkenny. This year has been a challenging one for dairy farmers, given the changes to nitrates legislation, but also increased production costs, reduced price for milk, and the ongoing issues of labour availability for dairy farmers. We intend to address and discuss these issues at the conference through a combination of workshops, practical sessions and presentations from industry leaders.
In the morning sessions, we will tackle some of these key challenges. International expert David Becca will present on the key drivers of costs in dairy systems in countries such as Australia, South Africa and New Zealand, and Joe Patton will add the Irish context. We will get to grips with labour with Marion Beecher, discussing current and future labour structures and efficiencies, and we will take learnings from two Irish dairy farmers who will share their experiences of labour on the day.
This year the afternoon session will consist of 6 interactive workshops, of which people will choose 3. In the first workshop, Brendan Horan and the Grass 10 team will look at getting back to basics on grazing tactics for spring 2024. With SCC National League creeping upwards, Don Crowley and Pablo Silva Bologna will offer advice on achieving an SCC of less than 100,000 in the first 100 days of lactation. Reducing nitrogen allowances on dairy farms will require precision use of that nitrogen, and this will be addressed by David Wall and Mike Egan in Workshop 3, while Michael O'Donovan, Donald Patton and Kilkenny Dairy Advisor Pat Moylan will look at stocking rate decisions for future systems. With help on dairy farms becoming challenging to come by, milking 10 times a week and whether it can work for you will be examined by Emer Kennedy and Martina Gormley. And finally, the storage and handling of slurry and how best to invest will be covered by Pat Toohey and William Burchell of UCC. As places are limited, remember to book early. We look forward to meeting you in Kilkenny on Wednesday, November 29th. To register, visit www.teagasc.ie.